How to hunt for agates and jaspers and other awesome stuff on the Oregon coast. Get to a beach access. I'm here at Southwest 33rd. As you can see as we look down the beach, there's some grayer areas around where the surf is breaking. We're about an hour out of low tide. As you move down the beach, you'll see that there are some blackish, colorful areas and some obvious rocks in front of us. And then, as we look up the beach, there are some more darker patches. These are what you want to investigate. When you're up at the beach access and also down on the beach, survey the beach conditions. Make sure that the surf looks like it's not going to reach out and touch you. One of the things you can do is look for a slime line or a foam line. We don't have one of those today, so that tells us that the ocean isn't super turbulent and it's kind of staying where it needs to today for being around low tide. These are all good signs. Now get in line with them rocks, and every little rock needs to, have a little glance at it. One of the big things you're looking for is a reduced porosity. So today with it sprinkling a little bit, it's perfect because the rocks are wet on top, but if I flip them over, a lot of them are dry. And those are probably not going to be rocks that are going to be great candidates for polishing. A lot of our best polishable rocks still look wet when they're dry. So this is an excellent teaching lesson on how there are rocks down by the surf. There are going to be rocks sometimes in piles up higher, and then there's going to possibly be a high tide line. Every single one is worth checking out. Don't skip. Where should you go first? That's a very good question. Well, considering I'm here so close to low tide, I'm going to check the stuff next to the tide lines first as I walk down this way. And then on my way back, I'm going to check for the stuff up high. Well, that's a fun little dish, but see how sand can move so funny? It's a big sand hump over there between the ocean and these rocks. That's why you don't come out at low tide. Come out while the tide's dropping. That's a perfect reason why. You see how there's all these really big rocks together? Agate and Jasper are more dense than a lot of the rocks on this beach. Therefore, they are going to want to go to the lowest place they can. So when you find bottoms like this with big rocks, this is where you can find the really big lunkers. See where there's kind of a pretty extreme angle, like from up on the beach to down in the sole? These are some of the best places to find some cool rocks because they're exposed at all levels. So I walk past so many good ones. So plan a trip out to the beach and come find some. Just in case you're wondering, yes, there is a limit on Oregon beaches. It's 1 gallon per day and 3 gallons per year of agate, jasper, petrified wood, other gem material, crystals, shells, etc. So I'm going to leave this to make someone else's day.